Go carpet cleaning in Doraville, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning is among the leading carpet cleaning providers in Doraville. We concentrate on commercial and residential carpets, area rugs, and upholstery services. We provide natural solutions to battle any stain, even hard ones. Our team is devoted to providing a disciplined approach to our work that will leave your carpets looking and smelling clean and new. Check out what everyone is saying about Go Carpet Cleaning.
This service was the best carpet cleaning I have had in years. The gentleman gal was so very nice and very professional. This carpet is very light and gets dirt fast, and I haven't had it cleaned since last year. I am a very critical person, but when I tell you I had no criticism about this service, I mean it. Excellent, excellent job. Thank you, gal, well worth every penny and more. We'll be calling you again before Christmas.
Ben was great. I needed my couches and rug cleaned after living with a roommate with pets. Ben arrived on time and did a stand-up job on my upholstery. Everything is fresh and clean, like brand new. Would recommend for sure.
Best carpet cleaning in Atlanta. So good, finished quick and got all of the stains on carpet.
Today there are numerous delighted clients across all communities who rely heavily upon our trained professionals, due to the fact that nothing gets easier than having a professional clean. We work hard and we utilize efficient steam cleaning tools such that we reach deep into the fibers of your carpet and into every nook and cranny, so we can provide a full, detailed carpet cleaning. We do more than carpet cleaning. We also supply a wide variety of upholstery cleaning services for your office or home. Whether you need something quick and simple or a more in-depth expert service, we have the best solution to suit your individual needs. For carpet cleaning and more cleaning services in Doraville and neighboring areas, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.